Hi everyone! I'm very excited to be here today because I get to share with you some very valuable information from a professional who has dedicated her life to studying the brain. Neuroscientist Jill Bolte Taylor says that an emotion lasts only 90 seconds. Don't feed them. Don't give them your attention. Don't think about them. Just let your brain reset. That means any emotion, whether it's anger or sadness or any other negative emotion. If you don't keep thinking about it, it will pass. It will come and go like the clouds in the sky. But we don't do that, do we? We keep thinking about it. We ruminate about it. We bring it up in our conversations. We talk about it over and over again. It's when we start giving it meaning, when we start labeling it, categorizing it, analyzing it, then the emotion gets stronger and stronger and stronger. And the best way to deal with it, according to her, is to just let it pass. Don't feed it. Just wait for it to go away. Just wait for your brain to reset itself. Maybe you tried to distract yourself with work or food or social media or one of the many things we do to avoid feeling our feelings. How did that work out for you? Did the emotion go away? Did the thought go away? Did you stop having that intrusive thought that was bothering you? No, it usually comes back stronger than before, and by doing so, we feed the emotion. We keep it alive. Wait for your brain to reset. This doesn't mean you become numb or unfeeling. It just means you allow yourself to experience the full range of human emotions without judgment, and you trust that your brain will do what it needs to do to process it. When we resist an emotion, we think we're being strong, but all we're doing is amplifying it. I haven't heard it put that way before, but it makes perfect sense. Our brains need time to process emotions. If we try to suppress them or ignore them or avoid them, we prevent our brains from doing what they need to do. And so they keep the emotion in our body. They keep it in our nervous system until we give them a chance to process it. When we allow ourselves to experience an emotion fully, we're able to move through it, and we can use that energy constructively. So what does she suggest we do when these intense emotions arise? Well, simply let them pass. In her book, My Stroke of Insight, which I just finished reading, Jill Bolte Taylor tells the story of how she suffered a massive stroke in 2008. She was 34 years old at the time, and it dramatically changed the way she looked at the world and, more importantly, gave her insight into how the human brain works. After the stroke, she noticed that her left hemisphere brain, which is the logical side, was no longer able to communicate with the right side, which is the emotional side. And this is what she wrote. The stroke gave me a window into my own brain. The left side wants everything to be logical. It needs to understand why something is happening. It wants to categorize and label things. It wants to analyze everything, while the right side experiences the world through emotions and intuition. For the first time, I could see my brain as habitual patterns of thinking and the emotions that were attached to those thoughts. My left hemisphere began to question what the right hemisphere was doing. Why did you make that face? Why are you feeling that way? And my right hemisphere would answer with an emotion without any judgment. I don't know. I just feel like it. So this is how she realized that our two hemispheres have two very different ways of experiencing the world. So when we feel an emotion, any emotion, according to Jill, it only lasts 90 seconds. This is what she says. I really love this idea of letting your brain reset. Think about the last time you tried to push away a thought or an emotion. So the next time a negative emotion arises, try Jill's approach. Let it pass. Don't feed it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.